Electronic Multi-Measuring Instrument ME96SS Version B Installation Removal Guide for Optional Plug-in Module. The contents are as follows. Warning: do not work with ME96SS Version B powered to prevent electrical shock. Installation. Remove cover. Fit protruding part into slot. Push and confirm click. Removal. Use flathead screwdriver for removal. Lift up module. Hook to hole. Tilt screwdriver to left. When unlocked, remove module. Attention! Total removal must be up to 2 times. Over operations may hurt your products. Attention! Do not work without lifting module. It may cause excessive stress against your products. Attention! After removing modules, attaching cover or installing alternative module is recommended.